In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the time zone in Airtable. To get started, open Airtable and log into your account. Make sure you're using the correct workspace and that you can access the base where you want to review your date and time information. This is important because time zone settings can affect how dates and times appear across your records, especially if you work with teammates in different locations or rely on time-sensitive data. Once you're inside Airtable, click your profile icon to open the account menu, then go into your account settings. This is where Airtable usually stores personal preferences that affect how information is displayed for your account. If you're trying to make sure your times match your local region, this is the first place you should check. Inside your settings, look for options related to language, region, date format, or time zone. Depending on the version of Airtable you're using, these settings may be grouped together, so take a moment to scan carefully. You're looking for the area that controls how time is shown, not just how dates are formatted. That distinction matters because a date format change won't necessarily update the actual time zone being used. When you find the time zone option, select the time zone you want to use. Be careful to choose the correct city or region associated with your location, since some time zones may look similar, but behave differently during daylight saving time. Choosing the right option helps keep your scheduling, deadlines, and timestamps consistent. After that, check the date and time fields inside your base. Open the relevant table and look at any fields that store dates, times, or both. This step helps you verify whether the display matches the time zone you intended to use. In some cases, Airtable date fields can have their own formatting settings, so it's worth reviewing those as well to make sure everything is aligned. If Airtable gives you the option to save the time zone setting, go ahead and save it before leaving the page. Even if changes appear to apply automatically, it's always a good idea to confirm that your settings have been stored properly. Finally, review your records and make sure the times display correctly. Compare a few entries you already recognize so you can confirm the change worked as expected. If something still looks off, go back through the settings and field configuration one more time. That's how to change the time zone in Airtable and make sure your records display the correct time.